competition. So what does mukbang mean? It's eating competition. And mukbang is especially these days, a lot of young generation take a video of what they eat. So today's mukbang competition is spicy noodle competition. Who can finish one cup ramen noodle best? And who will get one box of cup ramen noodle? So we need 10 participants. So you think you can it's bulldog cup ramen. There's having fire. Their mouth and their
nhiều cái yo quiero probar el agua.
Yeah, I've had a good review.
Alright, we're gonna have interview. Please come to the Alright. Number one, Flashman. Could you introduce yourself?
I'm Chip.
From Skokie, woo! Usually, do you eat ramen noodle at home? How about the spicy noodle? Did you try it?
I've tried most places, but I haven't tried it.
So bulldog noodle is first time for you? Have you tried the red one? How about black? Really? Okay, all right. So then you're not going to have any problem tomorrow morning. We all know. Okay, all right, Jim. Okay. And next, number two.
What's your
Good luck to you. Okay. All right. Next.
Hi, my name is Matt. I'm from Chicago.
How did you enjoy the spicy noodle at home?
I do. I usually have either K army stew. I've done the 3X bulldog before. So I can do some heat. So we'll see how this.
K Army stew. The 부대찌개.
K army is my favorite with like the enokis and the tofu. But no, I like a lot of Korean food, so this will be fun.
So, can you give us your own recipe for army stew?
So enoki mushrooms, tofu, 2 spoonfuls of gochujang, a little bit of sesame oil, spam, and I think that's about it.
And ramen noodles.
And the green onions.
Wow, wow. So there's a true kimchi and ramen noodle lover.
Yes.
All right, so good luck to you today. Thank you. Yeah, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Emily. I'm from Chicago.
So do you do you eat spicy noodle?
Oh my god!
So have you tried this Korean noodle? It's gonna be super spicy, but yeah, we have water.